we are gifted. How many of you know that we got a wonderful opportunity to be born as a human? Good afternoon, contest chair, fellow Toastmaster, and my dear friends. Thanks for this opportunity. We know, I was thinking through that whether I should contest. Then I was not in a motivated mood to take up this contest. I thought I will give it back. I'll take a step back and run away. Later I realized I shouldn't do that. I should give a try. And I was thinking through and I couldn't find a topic. What topic should I choose? What should I talk about? I went around and asked my friends. My friends didn't give me a good opening or a good topic. Rather, I went to my small kid who is 7 years old and asked me, Vishwa, tell me, what should I talk about? He said, Appa, we have a little one who is newborn. Why can't you tell about her? I said, that wouldn't be the correct one. I was thinking through. And I later realized, yes, I can talk about a newborn baby, but that will be more personal to myself. And it will be like I'm telling my own story. Rather than that, I thought I should give a speech which talks about my experience and gives some motivation to others on how to overcome a situation. Friends, 8 to 9 months before, I was in a desperate situation wherein I was thinking whether to continue in Singapore or whether to lead a life like this or go back, run away from all the issues which I had. I was thinking through. Later, I realized life is short. Make it sweet. That's where I thought I wanted to tell you all that life is short. Make it sweet. That time, what happened was, I was working in a project for almost 4 years. I knew everybody in the project. I was able to talk to people and I was a master. There were 30 people reporting to me in my team. I was like a king in a very big army and I had a good soldiers. But unfortunately what happened was, I didn't ask for it. I was in my comfort zone enjoying everything. Later, what happened was, suddenly my manager called me one fine day and said that, no more, you're not going to be in this project anymore. From tomorrow, you're supposed to move into another project. I was shocked. You know, right? Change is constant and we all know that we cannot go with the change, or it's all easy to tell others or preach others. When it comes to us, it's very hard to accept, no, I cannot take this change anymore, I felt. But somehow I was pushed into that and I was literally feeling that, why I am doing here? What did I do wrong? And I was literally scolding everybody, and even I was scolding the God for moved into this bad situation which I was. Later, what happened was, my day used to start at 8 in the morning and I used to end at 12:30 or 1 o'clock in the midnight. And I felt, oh, this is not the way. Already I am very old and how can I take up this one? I felt that I am in a retirement age. I never felt that I need to drive myself. That's where I was always thinking through, what should I do next? Always the stress. Every time I think about my project, I used to always get into that. And I was not thinking about anything. All my household utility was taken care by my wife. I left everything, whatever the expenses you do. Don't ask me anything. All my cards are yours. You do whatever you want. That's how I left my life. Then later I realized that this is not the current one. I need to do something for this. But I was not able to come out of the shit. Sorry to say that. It was like a shit for me. Later, my sisters and her family came and visited me. I couldn't even talk to them. They were here in Singapore to roam around the places during the weekends. I never had a time to do all this. My dear friends, I once again tell that don't think about the current and spoil your current happiness. Always think that there is a life behind our next thing. I mean to say that there is always a life which we need to rejoice. Live the current moment and don't get it spoiled because of the current issues and things. That is what is the main point which I wanted to communicate and tell you all. That's where my topic is life is short, make it sweet. Because I made it as a sober because I was thinking that why I'm here, why I'm doing this, why I'm doing this kind of thing. But I spoiled my 8 to 9 days, 9 months with stressfulness, and that's where I wanted to tell you all that this life is very short. Please make it sweet. Live the moment and everything will follow. Thank you for the opportunity.